Hello, my name is Earl Knighton, your expert realtor. Today we're doing a tour of 11319 Villas on the Green. And we're going to start on the exterior here. As you can see, nicely painted. Actually just freshly painted less than a month ago. Let's walk away around to the right side of the house. Included in this house would be a water filter softener there, and as you can see by the walls there, no cracks, freshly painted, freshly manicured grass, fenced in yard, no neighbors in the back, nice little pond view that you can see here. As we continue to make our way around the house, fenced backyard, nice patio, newer air conditioning unit, screened in porch, see those little pins sticking out, screws sticking out the walls. That's for the hurricane shutters. Save you money on your homeowner's insurance as well. What you see there is the spout for the air conditioning unit, so as it takes the moisture out the home, it comes out the pipe there. Nice brick accent. As you can see, cameras around the home, they are included as well. Now, as we come back around the front, you as a homeowner would definitely enter in through the front door. Also, want to notice no cracked driveway, nice and pretty. As you can see there, as I said, nicely manicured lawn. As we enter the front door, electronic lock, combo code, as well as using the key. As we enter in the front door, as you can see, beautiful foyer, a nice landing space. Stairs are off to the side, which is always great. Nice open foyer, tile floor, nice mirror. This is the way into the garage, so we're just going to do a pit stop there right quick. As we enter into the garage, nice two-car garage in which they have their racks, lawnmowers and whatnot, hurricane garage door with the extra brackets, garage door opener, as well as they're storing a refrigerator inside the garage as well. Nice textured floors in the garage. Baseboard, as you can see, the garage is totally finished. As we go back, walk into the foyer area, a nice open area as you enter into the home. Let's hit the first bedroom here. Oh man, beautiful bedroom, nice space with a full-size bed, faux blinds, as well as a nice-sized dresser. I'm sure you want to take a look at the closets. Nice open closet. It goes back some ways. Beautiful fans, updated fans, nice textured ceilings. No popcorn here. Full bath downstairs as well. Let's walk behind the shower and take a look at the shower here. Nice clean shower. Man, it doesn't get no better than that. Medicine cabinet, mirror, tile floors in the bathroom. Linen closet, plenty of space to store your towels, sheets, comforters, and even some space at the bottom, storage. Another closet area, coat closet, linen closet, whatever you like to use it for. Plenty of storage downstairs. Now, if I didn't tell you before, this is a 5-bedroom, 3 full baths home. Nice open kitchen. Smooth top stove, black appliances, GE. Big, large cabinets, recessed lighting, tile floors. As you can see there, nice perfect island, dining area. What a light fixture that is. Beautiful, stays with the home. Again, faux blinds, updated windows. And let's not forget the pantry here. Large pantry. Tiled as well. Computer desk area. You can keep this in or take it out. Some people make an extra pantry, extra storage place there, or put additional cabinets in that area. As we flow through the family room here, what you see, if you like any of the furniture, it can come with the homes, window curtains, anything of that nature. All faux blinds also do come with the home as well. As we enter into the patio area, screened patio area, that we saw from the exterior before. Nice screened in area. And ceiling fan, which gives you additional hangout area with company, or just want to get along or do some office work with no neighbors behind you. Again, the screws there are made for the hurricane shutters that you see there. Same thing on the patio doors as well. Different screws for the hurricane shutters. Again, which will save you money on your homeowner's insurance. Now let's make our way upstairs. In this beautiful home. Nice wide stairway entry to bring furniture up and downstairs. Wonderful loft area with ceiling fan that you see they've used for family time TVs. And we'll start to the back and make our way back up. Another bedroom here where electronic equipment office area has been used. Nice natural light. Let's turn off all the lights and you can see this nice natural light in here as well. Nice big open closet area. As you can see, all the walls, baseboards, trim work has been maintained. No cleaning here. The cleaning has already been done. Here is your third bedroom upstairs. If you, for whatever reason, you don't like the walls color, it can be repainted or a painting allowance will be allowed. Nice open closet. Again, full-size beds, full-size furniture inside as well. Nice open closet, as you can see there. Smoke alarms in every bedroom. Laundry room, washer and dryer, storage up top. Nice open space. You can put laundry, tile floors, put laundry baskets and still have space inside. Linen closet to the left. Throw your blankets, comforters, sheets, or whatnot. Over to your right, we have a second full-size bathroom. Higher than normal counter, which are always great. Toilet area. And again, another sparkling clean shower and tub combo. And this house is clean from top to bottom. Hardly any dust inside. Tiled bathroom as well. To the left here, we do have an air conditioning condensing unit, 3.5 ton, that gets serviced. As you can see by bayonet there. No dust, no mold, clean. And if you don't know, Sometimes that does get stopped up. We always say, just a little teaching note, to put a cup full of vinegar in there once a month, every few months, to keep that unclogged. Here as we go into our fourth bedroom, same thing with the paint color in here as well. If you don't like the paint color, we can do a neutral color for you. A nice open closet, nice size bed, full size furniture, and still plenty area to walk around and move around in the bedrooms. If you like more actual square footage of all the rooms, let me know and I'll be glad to get you that information. Now let's go into the grand master, which is on the other side, back side of the house. Huge master. King size bed. Gentleman's furniture, ladies furniture, nightstands, space for a couch that you see here. Nice big open closet. Double shelved. Attic area upstairs. Plenty of area for shoes. Man, huge closet. Just seems like it never ends. Well maintained ceiling fans, bedrooms, tile bathroom, nice size shower, garden tub. Most homes don't have tubs nowadays, but this one does. Double vanity. Toilet area, and guess what, a linen closet behind the door to store some of your goodies. Beautiful home. Again, 5 bedrooms, 3 full baths, price right up under $280. You can't beat it. Great neighborhood full of all the amenities that you would ask for: tennis, swimming, parks, playgrounds, walking trails, you name it. As we exit, again, my name is Earl Knighton, your expert realtor. Definitely a gorgeous home. And as you can read here, as we close out this touring, home is where friends are family and family are friends. Thank you again for following on. For more information, you can contact me at www.earlknighton.com or give me a call at 678-414-7888.